Okay, the delivery guy just called out 20 minutes before they're about to be here to deliver the new fridge. Meanwhile, I gotta get everything out of this freezer and refrigerator in 20 minutes while my two toddlers are making a mess and driving me nuts. Example 1. This is what I got out so far. My kitchen looks a wreck. And that's just emptying the top part of it. We haven't even got inside yet. This is the inside of the freezer. And this is the inside of the fridge. I think I'm gonna make it in 20 minutes, but let's see. I got this big box that I'm just gonna jam everything in and hopefully it works. So I'm thinking if I put the refrigerator stuff in first and then the freezer stuff on top, then it should still stay good until the new refrigerator gets plugged in, I guess. I don't know. I'm just going to go for it. Getting rid of this fridge because it's leaking.
Doing something.
It's okay. Jacob, what are you doing?
I'm cracking them.
Don't crack them, Jake. You're going to help me? All right, yeah, put it in there.
2.
Yep. Make sure it doesn't leak, though.
So that can help us in there too?
Yep.
Okay.
Thank you for your help.
Welcome.
Sure. Yep. Make sure you throw that away. Let me put that up here.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, you just got it all over me.
Okay.
Put this in here.
Oh, it's hitting me. Where does this go?
That can go in there.
Okay.
Jacob, you want to give that to the chickens?
Yeah.
Give that to the chickens. Thank you.
I'm going to
Here, I'm gonna need that. Meanwhile, I gotta sweep this up before he gets here. Jacob made that mess. Yeah, put that in there, buddy. Put everything in there while I sweep this up, please. Try not to spill nothing, though.
This is loco.
Huh?
Where is this loco?
Milk you can put in there. Alright, throw in the trash.
Mom, look at it. See? It's trash.
Yep, trash. Everything goes in the box. Yep, that goes in the box. That's a good job.
And where does this go to? Milk go.
Milk goes in the box.
Okay.
In the box. Oh, man. Thank you.
And there's one more thing. Right there.
Alright, Jacob, you want to go give this to the goats? Thank you. You got, whoa, hold on.
I did that wrong.
Thank you.
I have a hound on Thursday.
No, it's not Cool Whip. It's something else.
Oh
My goodness, why did I even do that, Loretta?
what did you do? I'm gonna eat that. I'm gonna eat that.
Hold on.
I'm gonna eat that. I'm gonna eat that.
Okay, hold on.
I want to eat that. I want to eat that.
Hold on, I'll give you one when we get done. You gotta wait till we get done.
I want to eat that. You put it in there. I said you eat. I want to eat that. No, you put it in there first. Mom, he's not putting that in there.
This is what my kitchen looks like. You just got here. I did find 2 ice creams, and that's all that really matters. Gotta make room for them to get the stuff in here. Is the lettuce and the green pepper that I asked Jacob to feed to the goats and chickens. Got to move my car out the way, which also means I need to move some toys out the way so they don't get run over. Okay. He's scared of the dog. You want to put the dog away, but I don't have anywhere to put the dog. I mean, I could put the dog in the house, but he's coming in the house, so I told him he's just gonna have to deal with the dog. The dog's nice, the dog won't hurt you. Somebody can't wait to have popsicles. Found one of their toys that I didn't see on the way out. Just leaving their hand.
I found a key.
That's so embarrassing.
Oh, this was the that dirty stuff.
Yeah, that was nasty. Hold on.
Hey, Mama.
She is. There's the old one. There she goes. On the way from home. Here's the new one.
The new one.
So much shorter than what I'm compared to.
How does the light come on?
But it doesn't leak, so I'm not complaining. Now to clean up this mess.